Former Union Home Secretary Ajay Kumar Bhalla, who has been appointed as Governor of Manipur, arrived at Imphal International Airport today. Upon his arrival, Ajay Kumar Bhalla was welcomed by Chief Secretary, DGP, staffs of Raj Bhavan, civil and police officers. He is expected to take oath of office as Governor of Manipur during a ceremony at Raj Bhavan tomorrow. It may be mentioned that Ajay Kumar Bhalla had served as Union Home Secretary from August 2019 till August 2024 before being appointed as Governor of Manipur. He was an 1984 batched IAS officer from Assam and Meghalaya cadre. He will replace Lakshman Prasad Acharya as Governor of Manipur once Manipur High Court Chief Justice D. Krishna Kumar administers the oath of office and secrecy tomorrow.